And welcome to the Healing Academy with Connie Rose YouTube channel. I'm here today to let you know about EFT. It stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's also known as tapping, and it has literally saved my life. Over 10 years ago, I was in a situation where I was so stuck, I couldn't see the future. I actually couldn't see anything in front of that day. And I'm wanting to share this modality with you because it's very easy to learn and it's something you can go to just to get through the day. So how it actually works is that we tap on different meridians, different energy points in our body, and it actually can dissolve stuck emotions and traumas so that we can literally remember them, but we don't have the trigger or the emotion. So as you can see where I'm tapping now are specific meridian points. And as we tap, we can dissolve emotion. So we can have a little bit more clarity, right? So what I want you to do is follow me and try it for yourself. So we just tap here. And I want you to today we're going to just do something very general. And in my future videos, I'll be doing things that are more specific to a particular emotion. But today I just want you to get a feel for it and see if it's something you resonate with. And whatever's happening in your body at the moment, I want you to tune in and see how you're feeling as you tap. Okay, so whatever emotion you're feeling at the moment is exactly right for you. And sometimes we don't even know what we're feeling, and that's okay as well. There's no right or wrong. This is your healing journey, and only you know how you're feeling. Nobody can tell you how you're feeling. It's just your experience, right? It's your journey. So taking full responsibility of your health and well-being as we go through this process, I want you just to copy tapping exactly what I'm doing. And give yourself some big breaths of release. We're just releasing any tension, and you may be feeling emotions surfacing. And that too is okay because we want things to come up and out. So this is only a short video today, but please do keep watching it over and over again if you feel you want to copy what I'm doing, just to make sure that anything that's coming up, you are releasing. So we just keep tapping, okay? Just keep tapping. So sometimes, you might feel worse before you feel better, and that is okay also. So whatever's happening for you is fine, but please, taking full responsibility of your health and well-being, keep tapping. And if anything comes up, I'm not a doctor, so feel free to contact your doctor. But outside of that, it's just energy work, right? We're all just energy. So we just keep tapping, allowing anything to come up. I tend to do this first thing in the morning in the shower, just while I've got a minute, just tap for a few minutes all the way through, allowing myself to breathe and feel whatever I'm feeling. You may wake up in the morning having, bad thoughts because you had a nightmare. Something may be playing on your mind. You might have some physical ailments, just something that might be bothering you. And the tapping process helps you just tap through it. Just tap through it. So keep tapping. That's right. And now that you've just had a little insight as to what tapping is, feel free to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be coming to you with lots of different tips to help you feel the best version of yourself. And if you think this might be something that's suitable, this video, for other people, feel free to like and share it because it helps the algorithms on YouTube. So this video can pop up for other people to have a look at too. And I would love the share. So keep tapping, stay well. And please tune in next time when I do something a little bit more specific for you. Take a nice big breath and just release that energy. And please stay hydrated as well, because this is moving energy. We want to drink lots of water, because it's like a massage, right? When we have a massage, we need to drink lots of water to help the toxins release. This is very similar to that. So please stay well, be kind to yourself and others, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.